DJI have just recently released a new firmware version for the DJI RC2 controller and of course a DJI Fly app, and this is 1.21.8, and it has brought some new interesting features that I'm going to review in a next video. But what I wanted to do is address an issue that has been caused to this controller right here with this firmware update, especially if you are like me, a content creator, or if you are somebody that likes to screen record your flight, because this update has actually broken the ability to record your screen recording using this DJI RC2 controller, except it hasn't, because in true Gavin HR fashion, I'm going to show you how you can fix it to stop you getting this error and to enable you to start recording your screen recordings again. So let's get into it. So first of all, obviously, as you will know, that DJI have launched a new firmware version for the DJI RC2, and I know many of you do really enjoy this controller, and it's been long said on my channel that I do always suggest that when you are taking off with your DJI drone and you have this controller, always record your flight, always screen record, because something generally happens that you miss while you are out flying that you can later see on the recording. Not only that, but if you do encounter some sort of issue, a screen recording is an absolutely great way to go back, review your flight, and just pick up exactly what happened. But it seems that quite a few sort of content creators on YouTube have reported that there has been an issue with the screen recording on this DJI RC2 controller after this firmware update. Now, it has to be said that this firmware update just says it basically is fixing some bugs. However, it is quite a large update, okay, if we look at the size of it at the top. But most certainly it has broken the screen recording. If I try to screen record using this controller in order to bring you this tutorial, you will actually see that I'm getting the message myself to say there is insufficient system resources to be able to execute that screen recording. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. So just to prove that I'm having this, as you can see, when I do try and do it, I'm getting nothing. So all I can do right now is capture a screenshot, which is working, to be able to show you the exact process. So all we're literally going to do is go into the menu, and then we're going to go into storage, and then where we can see this option here, we are going to clear the cache for the controller. As you can see, the size of this cache is absolutely huge. In fact, it's pretty much the same size as the update we've just installed on this device. So very simply, all we're going to do is go ahead and click clear. It's going to pop up to say that, the app's going to function perfectly fine, but do we want to clear it? We're going to go ahead and click OK. Now, of course, because obviously the whole point is fixing the screen recording, all I'm simply going to do now is swipe down on my screen, and as you can see, I'm going to start that screen recording, and it's simply going to pop up, and that is working. Incidentally, I've just tuned this into my DJI Avata 360 because I've been a bit behind on some firmware updates. So what I'm going to do is just keep popping on screen just numerous recordings during this process, just to show that it is working absolutely fine. And as you can see, like clearing the cache has allowed me to get that screen recording on this controller working again. So if you do have this issue, then this is the fix for it. So please do share this video for anybody you do see reporting that the screen recording is no longer working after this update, to be able to fix it and get them being able to use this facility again. Now, as I've just mentioned, the full features of the new Fly app, one of them is incredibly interesting. I will feature in a new video featuring just on that, but because so many people have reported this as a sort of broken feature of the RC2, I just wanted to make a standalone video to hopefully get that solved. So basically, that wraps up the video. Hopefully it solved the problem for you. And of course, if you did enjoy this content, please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.